I'm Executive Chef Anthony Bucco, and this is how you roast a salmon with an orange relish. So as we prepare our salmon, what we want to do is we want to give it a nice strong pan roast. So we're going to portion it into medallions that are perfect portions for our guests at our dinner party. For our salmon in this instance, what we're going to do is once we have our portions done perfectly, we're going to sear it. Pan searing process or pan roasting process will take roughly 6 minutes. We're probably looking at 3 minutes per side, setting up a perfect medium center. On the side over here, what we're going to do is we're going to work up our relish. The relish will consist of the set oranges, touch of red pepper, little scallion, some ginger, salt, pepper, and just a squeeze of lemon juice. In addition to that, we'll finish it with just a touch of olive oil. It's demystifying a relatively simple thing. So there you have it.